Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how we can generate a QR code for anything and everything where you can use it literally everywhere. No matter, let's say, you can use the generated QR codes in Excel, PowerPoint, like literally you will be able to use this QR code with everything, and you do not have to, go to any third-party sites to generate this QR code. All you got to do is just install any browser in your laptop or phone. Let's say I have Google Chrome here, or no matter, even if you have Brave, it's going to be fine. Now I'm going to generate a QR code for this website, leonfaucet.me. So the generated QR code would look like this. I mean, this is how the QR code generated in Google would look like. If you want to generate a QR code in Brave, the Brave generated QR codes would look like this. This is how the Brave generated QR codes would look like. You can just enter the URL over here, and the QR codes would change. See? So you may be wondering how to generate these QR codes. So first of all, install your recommended browser. Then after installing, all you got to do is right click, navigate to this page and right click over here, and here you would find this generate QR code for this page. Just click here and the QR code for this page would be generated. It's as simple as this. So let's say if you want to generate specific QR codes for specific images, let's say this is an image, right? So as you can see, this is an image. Let's say I want to generate a QR code for this image. All we got to do is right click on this and create QR code for this image. And that's it. If I just copy this link, I would be taken over here. If you want to test whether your generated QR code is working properly or not, you can easily test it. Just search for Google Lens. Again, you do not need to install any other application. Just click on search by image. Here, just screenshot your image. Just click on copy, and in the image link, just paste it. Yeah, if you just paste it, your QR code would get pasted, and the link which a QR code would points to would be available here. Now, people, you may be wondering whether all QR codes are unique, right? Yes, every single QR code is going to be unique. So you can just click this button to find the exact matches. See, the Google couldn't find exact web pages or duplicate images. This is because every QR code is unique in its own way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button, the subscribe button, if you want any more videos like this. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.